Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a very small video. I am going to show how we can install Golang on our Mac computers. So the reason I am making this video is because I have decided that in my future videos where I'll be working with some full stack or maybe with some Flutter stuff, so we need the backend support, right? And for the backend, I'm planning to write my microservices in Golang. Recently I started working on this language at my work, and I somehow became fan of it. So let's get started without wasting any time. So I have already followed these steps. It's pretty easy. So if you're on Mac, just go ahead and download this package, and once the installation is done, automatically Golang installs your distribution at this path, and it sets a global variable called go path on your PC. So once that is done, when the Golang is being installed properly, if you go ahead and run Go version, it should show you the Go version here, right? So that's it. Now moving forward, let's go ahead and create a program in Go. So I will create a directory called test. I will cd into test. Now I will create a module file called go mod. I can call it test, init test. So why do I create this file go mod? So the reason being here is, in future, this is, think of it like a package.json file for our JavaScript or npm project. So this is where we can mention all our dependencies, and it will auto resolve and download all the third party dependencies which are related to our dependencies, right? Like there are some recursive dependencies, right, which depend uh, on our main packages. So all those resolution and installation will be taken care, and we can keep track of everything through this go mod. So whenever we run this command called go get, it's going to basically create a new a line of code in this go mod file, which is good for tracking. So I will do this. It create, let me do the ls. So you can see we have created a go dot mod file. Now what I can do here is, I can then create a new file, main.go, and let's see, I should do vi main.go. So it will create a new file. I'll create package. Oops, why is it's showing me? Okay, I'll create. Why is it showing me the prompt command? I'm not sure. Okay, so I can run package main. I'm not using a editor here because it's a small code, and then we don't need it. So print ln hello world. Okay, so once this is done, I'll close this file. Let me do a cat on main.go, and we should see here. Now if you want to run this file, let me see how we can run this file. Even I forgot. So yes, let's see, we can do go run dot to run our file, and we should see the hello world. Awesome. We can even do this if we do a go build. Let's see. Now I will do ls. So it created a test object. So now if I run this, yeah, like how we do the c in c, right? In c we create a object, and then we run that through the dot slash thing. So that's how we do in go as well. So yeah, this is what I wanted to cover in this video, that how we can do a setup and we can create a small file, and also talk about go.mod to basically work with the dependencies and manage our dependencies. Cool. Stay tuned for more updates, and soon I'll be working on a bigger project where I will create an end-to-end full stack application in which I will use Go as my backend. Stay tuned. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It does help me support in making these videos, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks everyone.